all. I hope you all are fine in your home. Stay home, stay safe. So let's start our today's video. Our today's topic is about nutrition in plants and animals. Yes, let's discuss about this topic. Let's read the first point. Living organisms such as plants and animals survive on food. Yes, it's true. We all living organisms survive on food. But why do we survive on food? What food gives us? It is very much important question. Let's find out the answer of the question. The second point gives the answer to the question. So let's read the second point. The food gives them the energy to perform several activities in their life and helps in the growth. Yes, food gives us energy to do several activities and it helps in our growth also. The third point gives us the definition of the nutrients. So let's define the nutrients. Certain substances are present in the food that help in the survival of the organism. These substances are called nutrients. For example, proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, minerals and fats. Yes, the carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals are all nutrients which all are present in our food and helps in our survival. So let's see the fourth number point. Some living organisms like plants synthesize their food by themselves, while others such as animals depend upon the plants and other animals for their food. Yes, it's true. Plants used to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Yes, by the process of by which process the plant used to make their food. That process is known as photosynthesis. But except the plants, all the living organisms depend on upon the other animals or upon the plants for the food. There is a table. There is a parts of the nutrients. Yes, in the table there are the parts of nutrients. There are 6 parts of nutrients. But water does not provide us any nutrients, but it helps in our body. It helps us to throw out the undigested part of the food from our body through urine or sweat. So let's give some example of carbohydrate. Some example of carbohydrate are rice. Carbohydrate are rice, wheat. Yes, rice, wheat, etc. I mean, there are so many carbohydrate-rich food. I am giving only 2. Now I will say the function of carbohydrate. Why rice wheat? What rice wheat gives our body? How rice wheat, all the other carbohydrate-rich food helps us? How carbohydrate helps our body? Carbohydrate gives us energy. Yes, carbohydrate gives us energy. So we knew how carbohydrate helps us. Now let's know how proteins helps our body. Proteins helps our body in building muscles and in our growth. Some example of protein-rich food are fish, egg, etc. There are so many protein-rich food, but I am giving only 2 examples. Now let's know how fat helps our body. Fat keeps our body warm. Some example of fat-rich food are ghee, milk, etc. Now let's know how vitamins help our body. Vitamins protect our body from different types of diseases. Yes, vitamin protects our body from different types of diseases. Some example of vitamin-rich foods are mango, then banana, etc. There are so many vitamin-rich food, but I am giving only 2 examples of each. So now let's know how minerals helps our body. Like vitamin, minerals also keeps our body healthy. So let's move further. We have discussed about this all topic. Let's give some examples of mineral-rich food. The mineral-rich food are like banana, then pulses, etc. So let's move further. Mode of nutrition in plants. So now let's read the mode of nutrition in plants. What is nutrition? Yes, before discussing about mode of nutrition, let's know what is nutrition. Nutrition can be defined as a process by which organism takes in the food and utilize it in order to survive. Based on the mode of nutrition, organisms can be divided into two categories. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which organism is to utilize their food, how they should digest their food to survive. If this is called nutrition. Based upon the nutrition, animals can be divided in living organisms can be divided into two categories. First, autotrophic organism. Second, heterotrophic organism. So what is autotrophic organism? They can prepare the food by themselves, each as plants. Yes, we all knew that plants used to make their own food. So plants is obviously an example of autotrophic nutrition. So what is heterotrophic nutrition? They depend upon other organisms for their food, such as animals. Yes, they depend for the such animals. Obviously, there are three. The heterotrophic organism can be divided into three types. Also, it is not given here, but I will discuss. But I will discuss about this topic. So let's discuss about this topic. I'm referring heterotrophic organism here as HO. Three parts. First is herbivorous. H. Carnivorous. C. Omnivorous. O. So what is herbivorous? What is herbivorous? What herbivorous? Herbivorous are the animals which is to eat only the plant and plant products. Yes. So now we can understand what is herbivorous animals. Some examples like cow, deer, etc. So now let's read what is carnivorous. Carnivorous are the animals which depend upon the other animals for their food. Yes, the carnivorous animal used to eat the flesh of other animals. So, some examples are tiger, lion, cheetah, leopard. There are so many examples. So now let's discuss what is omnivorous. Omnivorous are the animals which is to eat both the plants and animals for their food. Yes, omnivorous are the animals who used to eat both a plant and other animals for their food. Some examples, the common examples are human beings. Yes, we all are omnivorous. Deer, fox, etc. So now I would like to ask you all one question. If you can answer the question, then write in the comment section. But I'll discuss about this answer personally for your better understanding. Can you give me the answer the question that the carnivorous? Yes, obviously the carnivorous animals used to eat the flesh of other animals for their food. But so it proves that there does not depend on the plants. That does not depend on the plants or not. Give me that answer in the comment section, and I'd like to give the answer to you all. Yes, the carnivorous animals just depend on the plants for their food. Yes, directly or indirectly. Yes, by two ways they used to depend upon the plant. Directly, how directly? We all living organism needs O2 gas. Yes, the carnivorous animals also the living organism. They also needs O2 gas, means oxygen for the survival. Yeah, and which plants used to give us, and we all used to give plants CO2 gas, means carbon dioxide. Now, how indirectly? Yes, this is a question. how indirectly can carnivores depend upon the plants? Yes, they used to depend. They used to eat the animals. Which type of animals? Herbivorous animals. Yes, the carnivorous animal used to eat the herbivorous animal. Now I like to discuss about this topic by using the process of food chain. So let's see the food chain. In the screen you can see the food chain. Yes, this is the food chain. See, deer is a herbivorous animal as I discussed. Lion is a carnivorous animal as I have discussed. See, here is a tree. Deer is to eat the tree. See, deer is depend upon the plant for the food, and lion is to eat the deer. So lion is highly dependent upon the herbivorous animal, means upon the deer for the food. Yes, deer. So if there will no tree, think there is no tree, then for the lack of food there will no herbivorous animals. Means for the lack of food the carnivorous animal will die. So in an indirectly way they used to depend upon the plants for their food. Now I think you get cleared about this topic. So let's move to the previous topic. So the next, how do plants prepare the food? Yes, how do plants prepare the food? Yes, we all knew the plant used to prepare their own food. But how they used to prepare? Plants prepare their food with the help of certain raw materials that they gather from their surroundings, like water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, minerals, chlorophyll. The process by which plants prepare their food by using these raw materials is called photosynthesis. Yes, as I discussed it earlier, that the the process by which the plants used to make the food is known as the photosynthesis. So let's get easier about this topic by seeing a picture. You can see a picture of a plant. See, this is a plant. This is a picture of a plant. See, sunlight gives the light energy. How the light energy is being taken by the plant? There is a green pigments in the green pigments in the leaf, which is the chlorophyll. Here, these green pigments in the leaf, these are a chlorophyll, which trap the sunlight. See, by the root they used to take water and minerals. See, water and minerals they used to take by the help of roots. Oxygen is then taken by inhaled by stomata. Here there are small pores below the leaf, below surface of the leaf. There are small pores which are stomata. They used to inhale the O2 gas and gives out the O2 gas and give out the CO2 gas. So now we have cleared all the doubts about this topic, the nutrition in plants and animals. So this video ends here.